Canada. Canada. Its capital is the city of Ottawa and the most populous city is Toronto. Located at the North American subcontinent, is the second largest country in the world after Russia. Canadian cuisine is diverse of tastes. Each region has unique dishes in the many influence and the American and the English and French cuisines. The typical food is the tortilla, the macaroni and cheese, and the bacon, Canadian bacon. The independence of the United Kingdom on July 1st, 1877. The Constitution Westminster Statutes of December 11, 1931. The Constitution is April 7, 1982. The typical costume of Canada does not really exist. That is, there is no specific, but we close the symbol of their identity is the culture different in the front of the country is the clothes, police clothes. The more representative musical is Celine Dion. Celine Dion became the Canadian artist who shields the most. The Canadian dollar is the currency. The education in Canada is the most poor province, public schools, and the funded of undershaped federal province and the local governments. The Canadian ranks 30 completion about 0.5% of the world total population, with over 37 million people at the 2018 or last year. ¿En serio? Oh my God.